Why should you choose BONOSS Forge Lightweight Plus Wheel Spacers? The Lightweight Plus of BONOSS Wheel Spacers means that the hollow design is further optimized on the basis of the traditional wheel spacers. Compared with the previous generation products, the weight is reduced by 20%. The reducing unsprung weight helps the vehicle suspension system work more effectively. The overall acceleration of the vehicle and the comfort of the handling performance is better, bringing safer driving. Each of BONOSS products is engraved with the BONOSS or letter B, which means that these are manufactured by BONOSS' own factory. Compared with those products with only metric mark, the quality of BONOSS products is guaranteed. Multi-stage hub-centric design and precision 0.02mm CNC machining make the wheel spacer more closely fitted to the wheel hub. Offer a better system of support and stability that designed to make a snug connection between the wheel and the vehicle hub, reducing the high-speed vibration and ensuring safer driving. The small pit on the back of the wheel spacers, we call it disassembly groove, which makes the disassembled wheel spacers much easier. The knurling design can enlarge the side area so that it can contact more air, boost the heat dissipation effect, and reduce the internal stress caused by machining. That means improving the performance, strength, and durability of the wheel spacers. BONOSS Forge Grade 12.9 extended wheel bolts are made by the forging process, which brings excellent mechanical and physical properties. We can see the 12-petal-shaped design on the head of the extended wheel bolts. This design is a proof of the super forging process, which can only be manufactured by a large turning machine for forging at one time. Are wheel spacers actually safe? Generally, wheel spacers are just made of steel or aluminum. They are just automobile accessories that install between the assembly hub and the wheel. The wheel locks apply a clamping force to secure the spacer and the wheel to the vehicle hub. When the lug nuts are properly tightened, the locks will stretch elastically to keep everything in the right place. Installing wheel spacers will not change this physics. Most of the failure of wheel spacers are caused by the low quality, inaccurate data of the wheel spacers, rather than being caused by the wheel spacer itself. They are perfectly safe when using high-quality wheel spacers and install them properly. BONOSS is always concerned about the safety. We use forged aluminum alloy 6061T6 material or 7075T6 modern CNC machining by 0.02mm tolerance. The multi-stage hub-centric design fits a wheel hub better. What are BONOSS wheel spacers made of? BONOSS Forge Lightweight Plus wheel spacers are made of aluminum alloy 6061T6 or 7075T6. Formed by withstanding continuous strong pressure that improves the strength of the wheel spacers. And the aluminum alloy has many excellent characteristics and performs good mechanical properties. Compared with the ordinary aluminum alloy 6061 or 7075 materials, the tensile strength and yield strength are about 3 times higher. The hard anodized surface treatment brings the corrosion function better. BONOSS wheel spacers bring safer driving and better handling for customers. The safe size of the wheel spacers. Using a metal ruler, place a straight edge on the outer part of the rims, where the wheel comes closest to the fender. Then measure from the outside wheel to the straight edge. This distance is the size spacer you will need to achieve the look that flushes or nearly flush with the fender line. All of our products have got more than 50 SGS and 2V authority test reports. BONOSS owns an independent OEM factory, so their custom wheel spacers can be completely within 3 days. OEM and ODM is available. If you are looking for an unusual thickness or bolt pattern conversion to fit custom wheels, BONOSS offers non-normal thickness customized service. 3mm thick to 160mm thick are available. There are a large amount of options with our customized PCD conversion wheel adapters. BONOSS has been 10 years experience of designing and manufacturing wheel spacers. Professional production experience and excellent product quality make us confident to provide a super long warranty service up to 10 years. How to properly install wheel spacers. Slide the jack under the vehicle to the lifting point and raise the vehicle slowly until the head of the single wheel is completely lifted off the ground. Remember to place a jack stand under your vehicle to ensure safety. Loosen all the bolts in a sequence of star pattern. Using rust remover to clean the wheel hub, wipe with the sandpaper so that wheel spacer can fit the hub better. Place the BONOSS wheel spacers on the hub and align the holes in the spacers. Use 20 wheel bolts to tighten the wheel. Then use a torque wrench to snug up 20 wheel bolts in a star pattern. Remove the jack stand. Use the jack to lower the vehicle slowly until the wheel is in full contact with the ground. Finally, tighten the extended wheel bolts of the original car with an appropriate torque. For more information, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.